Hello everyone. For today, gagawin naman natin is paano ang calculator technique ng arithmetic progression using the Canon F789 SGA. So meron tayong 5 problems and try natin sagutan isa-isa. So ang gagamitin nating mode pala dito ay simply the mode 3-2 or ito yung tinatawag natin na linear regression. Makikita natin sa ibang calculator, kapag ginamit natin yung mode 3-2, meron siyang formula na A plus BX. So, try natin. And yun pala, kapag pinindot natin itong mode 3-2, meron kang makikitang table na X and Y. So, itong X, ito yung tinatawag nating nth term. And then itong Y naman, ito yung tinatawag natin na an term or value ng nth term natin. So, dito sa problem, meron tayong first, second, and third term na given, which is 10, 13, and 16. So, gawin natin, simply mode, yun 3, stat, 2, makita natin or linear regression. Then, kahit dalawang given lang, first term and second term. And then, 10, saka 13. Para makuha natin si 15th term, we have 15y hat. Ganyan kumuha ng an term. So, press natin CA, 15. Since 15 term yung given, ay yung hinahanap, 15. Then, press natin si apps. Then, makikita nyo sin 8, may nakasulat na reg, which is a regression. So, 8. Then, ayun, si y hat, 5. Press natin si equals, 52. So, yung 15 term natin ay 52. So, proceed tayo. If the first term, ganun ulit tayo, mode 3-2. If the first term of an arithmetic progression is 25 and the fourth term is 13, what is the third term? So, yung third term ay simply 3y hat. Nakasundan. Ito yung hinahanap natin. So, ganoon ulit, mode 3-2. Pwede ba yan, sir? Yung 1 and 4? Pwede. Kasi nga, nilalagay lang din naman natin first term and fourth term. Kahit hindi magkasunod, okay lang. So, yung first term natin, 25. And then yung fourth term natin, 13. Press ulit natin si CA. Ups. And then si 8 for regression. And then makikita natin si Y hat, 5. Then press lang natin tong left button para ilagay si 3. 3Y hat is 17. So, yung third term natin ay 17. So, next. What term is 121 in the arithmetic progression 11, 22, 33? So yung tanong dito, pang ilan na ngayon si 121 sa ating progression? So drawing na natin agad yung table. X and Y, first term, second term, third term, hanggang pang ilan daw si 121. And then ito is 11, 22, and then 33. So, para sa formula naman natin ngayon dito, we have 121 x hat. Kasi nga hinahanap natin kung pang ilan si 121. So balik ulit tayo, mode 3 to. Then lagay lang natin kahit dalawang term, first and second term. 11, tsaka 22. Then press natin CA. Type na natin agad si 121. Then apps, then 8, and then x hat, which is yung 4. So 121 is the 11th term. So next, proceed tayo. What is the common difference of the arithmetic progression 10, 5, 0, negative 5? So lagay natin table na. Ilan yung term natin? Apat, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is 10, 5, 0, negative 5. Para makahanap natin yung common difference, simply ito lang si B sa ating calculator. So ganoon ulit, mode 3 to tayo. Then kahit dalawang term ulit, 1 and 2. And then 10, tsaka 5. Then press natin si A. Then apps, balik tayo kay 8. And then ayun, si B, which is si number 2. So yung common difference ay negative 5. Last number. What is the sum of the progression 4, 9? So lagay ulit natin table. First term, second term, kahit dalawang term lang, ano? 4, 9. So yung term daw na to is hanggang 20. Diba? Hanggang 20th term. Ano daw yung sum niya? Para naman sa sum, balikan natin si 1. Di ba mayroon tayong linear regression which is in the form of a plus bx. So para makuha natin si sum, simply, meron tayong formula, summation of a plus bx from 1 to n, which is yung n natin ay 20. Kasi hanggang 20th term yung hinahanap. Alam na natin kung ano si B. Ngayon, para naman si A. Madali lang. Mode 3 to ulit tayo. Then, kahit dalawang term lang, first and second. Then, press natin 4, tsaka 9. CA, press natin CA. Ngayon, hanapin natin si A. Apps, then 8, then ayun, si A. Yung value ng A ngayon natin is negative 1. So, tandaan natin yun. A is negative 1. Ano yun? Si B, or the common difference. So, ganoon lang ulit. Apps, 8, tsaka 2, which is yung B, 5. So, yung common difference daw nila ay 5. Kikita nyo naman, di ba? 4, 9, 5 yung difference nila. So, this is simply summation of negative 1 plus 5x from 1 to 20. Ito na ngayon yung equation ng arithmetic progression natin. Ngayon, kompleto na. Balik tayo sa mode 1. Then, press natin si apps. Pili natin si 2 for the summation. Then, lagay natin negative 1 plus 5 alpha x. And then, from 1 to 20. So, yung sum ngayon, nung progression natin ay 1,030. Ganun lang yung ating calculator technique sa ating arithmetic progression using the Canon F789 SGA.